So today we are going to be making a circuit to convert 230 volts AC to 12 volts DC.
So here I have taken a step down transformer,
and here I have taken 12012 transformer. Here it's giving around 30 volts if we connect to both 12.
But as we want finally 12 volts output, I am going to be connecting it to 12 and 0.
So here I will connect the 12 and 0 of the transformer to the bread. So here I will place the BR module and I will take that 1000 microfarad capacitor and place it on the bread. And I will place positive of BR module to the positive of capacitor and negative terminal of BR module to the negative terminal of capacitor. And I will place a 7812 voltage regulator IC. So here I will place the positive terminal of the capacitor to the pin number 1 of the 7812 voltage regulator. And I will place pin number 2 of the IC to the negative terminal of the capacitor. And I will connect a 0.1 microfarad capacitor to the output of the voltage regulator. And I will ground the negative terminal of the capacitor. Keep multimeter to DC voltage. Place the positive probe to the positive side and negative probe to negative side of capacitor. Alright, so here our circuit is done, and as you can see we are getting constant 11.8 volt, which is around 12 volts.
So let me try to explain what is happening here. So here this is the AC mains, and here this is the transformer section, which is the step down transformer which I have taken, which is the 12 and so these two terminals are connected to the transformer input, and from the transformer output it is connected to the rectifier IC DB107BR module. So here it contains actually diodes. So here what happens is, if the AC signal is like this is converted to the pulsating DC, and then again this is smoothed out by this 1000 microfarad capacitor which I have connected to the BR module. So the output will be like this, and again this is the LM7812 voltage regulator. So this even smooths out this one and it gives constant 12 volts DC. And this is the 0.1 microfarad capacitor which through which we get the output, from where we measure the output voltage from the multimeter.
And well, that's all for today. Thank you.